Hey everyone, welcome back for another episode on Ginger Me Glam. I'm Kitty, and I will be reviewing more toys for you that I received from Bandai. These are the Disney Tippies, so they're super cute. I can't wait to show you, and they were given to me. So yes, this is sponsored, but all opinions are my own. I went to the Toy Insider's Sweet Suite at Home virtual conference where I got to discover a lot of different upcoming toys for the holiday season and for back to school. So I want to show you something that's affordable, and that's a great way to put in a stocking stuffer or maybe a fun little gift to cheer somebody up. Let's go ahead and check it out. We've got our Tippies. We have Mickey and Minnie. Aren't they so cute? They're 1.5 inches. So what are Tippies? Okay, so Tippies, you can tip them, spin them, or tap them, and they're these little 1.5-inch toys that are adorable. Now, my son got into them before I could open them up live here on a review. He was that excited. So let me show you. These are Tippies. These nut-shaped toys were uniquely designed in Japan. They're affordable and adorable, and you're gonna wanna collect them all. Now, they're available in-store at Target and online, starting now in August 2020. Just so much fun. You can collect them all just in time for the holidays, and make sure that you do get each one from the Disney and the Peanuts collection. Now, let's go tipping and tapping them and spinning them around. Our Tippies. Whee! Look at the cute little design. So it's like the ears. Look at the ears, the bow. So what you do is you put them down and you can kind of like and spin them, and they still end up standing. Woo! Isn't that fun? So no matter what you do, you can spin them around. They kind of go back to their standing. And how adorable. Mickey and Minnie together again for more fun. Will you collect them all? If you love watching me play with the Tippies, give this video a thumbs up. Tell us what you love about Tippies, which ones from the Disney or the Peanuts collection that you're looking to collect. Maybe it's all of them. Maybe you have a specific character that's your favorite. Let me know in the comments right down below. And subscribe to the channel so you can watch more fun, whether that's toys, cosmos and crystals, crafting, style and beauty. See you all again soon. Bye.